Welcome to our SolidWorks tutorial. Today, we're going to walk through the steps of configuring a torsional spring in a SolidWorks motion study using a staple removal assembly. This tutorial is perfect for those looking to simulate the function of a spring in mechanical assemblies. We'll begin by opening the staple removal assembly, which has been prepared for this exercise. It's important to note that the staple removal is currently in the closed position. This will be crucial for our simulation. To start, tap on the new Motion Study icon at the top of the screen. From the drop-down list of study types, choose Motion Analysis for a more detailed simulation. Since we're focusing on simulating the function of the spring, let's hide the colored spring and the pin in the assembly. This will allow us to focus on the effects of the torsional spring in our simulation. Click on the spring icon in the Motion Study toolbar and select the torsional spring type. Next, select the axis of rotation on the staple removal, followed by the part that moves. Now, set the spring constant parameters. We'll use 1 Newton per millimeter degree and set the free angle to 45 degrees. These values will define how our simulated spring behaves. Once you've set the parameters, click the green check icon to add the spring to your motion study. To see our spring in action, click the Calculate icon in the Motion Study toolbar. This will run the simulation, showing how the torsional spring influences the opening mechanism of the staple removal. And that's how you configure a torsional spring in a SolidWorks motion study, specifically for an open staple removal assembly. Experiment with different spring settings to see how they affect the motion. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for more SolidWorks tutorials.